Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Tim here. For the less intelligent of you guys, or for those of you who are new to the channel, I'll state the obvious. I got a new amp. I got this beautiful Marshall. This example is an awesome JCM 900, 100 watts, thing sounds awesome. Now, the JCM 900 has kind of a bad reputation. The guys who love it, and the guys that don't like it, hate it. I've had it for only a couple of days, and I can tell you this, I'm having an absolute blast with this thing. I think it sounds awesome. It's got that classic Marshall crunch. I'm in a little home studio here, and I'm getting some pretty good sounds out of it. So I imagine if it was really cranked up, it would sound even better. But it already sounds good even so. Now, I'm a big fan of 80s metal and the stuff a little before that, in particular Judas Priest. So I decided to try and dial in a little bit of a Judas Priest inspired tone, and I threw down a little bit of a Judas Priest inspired riff. Now, if there's one guy I know that loves Judas Priest, it is my friend Mark. So Mark, this one is for you in more ways than one. For the rest of you guys, let me know what you think of this tone. I think it sounds monster, but again, that's just my opinion. If you want to argue, drop a comment. If you think it sounds good, give it a like, share it, subscribe. Alright, let's check this out. For this, I'm going to be using my Washburn here. It's got 10s on it. Strings are a little bit heavier than what I use. The low string is tuned to D flat. So we're going to be getting a pretty monster sound out of this sucker. Let's give this a shot. Check it out, guys. Alrighty guys, there you have it. Let me know down below what you thought, and like I said, that's after just a few days of having it in a little small home studio here. Haven't really had much time to dial it in, and I already think it sounds pretty killer. So drop a like, drop a comment, feel free to argue, do whatever. Catch you guys later.